And amid growing dissidence among the BJP, Sabir Ali, remember, has reacted to the BJP cancelling his membership from the party. He says that the BJP has its style of functioning and won't comment on it. However, Sabir Ali has said that he will be filing a defamation case against Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi on his comment calling him a fake Muslim.
First the bouquet and then the brickbats. That's become the latest trend in the BJP as more and more leaders knock on its doors for entry. The latest episode involving expelled JDU leader Sabir Ali saw the BJP president annulling his membership after severe dissent in the party over his entry.
श्री राजनाथ सिंह जी ने श्री साबिर अली की सदस्यता को निरस्त करने का निर्णय किया है. The membership of Shri Sabir Ali stands annulled.
For Sabir Ali, the less than 24-hour membership of the BJP was fraught with severe opposition led by Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
हम जिस सिद्धांत के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, हम आतंकवाद, माओवाद और उससे जुड़े हुए लोगों के खिलाफ लड़ रहे हैं. अगर उससे जुड़े हुए और बिल्कुल स्पष्ट रूप से जुड़े हुए लोग कहीं भी किसी भी रूप में आते हैं तो निश्चित तौर से हमें उसके लिए समस्या होगी और दिक्कत होगी.
जो मुझ पे आरोप लगाया मुख्तार अब्बास नकवी साहब ने, मुझे उस पर जरूर कहना है. एक तो सबसे पहले मैं उसके ऊपर डिफर्मेशन का केस में करूंगा, और दूसरी बात कि ऐसा शख्स जो नकली मुसलमान हो उसके लिए मुझे उनके बातों का और उनके सर्टिफिकेट की जरूरत नहीं है.
The BJP too was split over the latest entrant.
साबिर अली कल तक जो जदयू में थे तो बहुत अच्छे थे और आज बीजेपी में आ गए तो हंगामा क्या? कोई हंगामा नहीं. अगर नीतीश कुमार इतना 50 सकते हैं तो हम समझते हैं कि सुशील मोदी भी 50 सकते हैं.
The decision to cancel Sabir Ali's membership was also forced. RSS's Ram Madhav saying the cadre and people are against it.
The Bharatiya Janata Party right before polls is on an expansion mode, where it is seeking maximum support from various political leaders. But there seems to be confusion and division within the party itself over who should be inducted and who should be kept away. And the latest victim of this confusion was Sabir Ali, who had to face the axe after major dissent erupted over his induction. For now, the BJP has to be more cautious and needs to get all its leaders and workers on board before announcing its next induction. With camera person Vicky, this is Aditya Nath Narayanan for Headlines Today.